welcome back to my channel.
Just a heads up, I was sick when I recorded this intro and outro, which is why my energy was so low. So yeah. Okay, back to the video.
So, this is being uploaded really late because I so smartly deleted all the footage and then didn't have any time to record it again because I was just booked up one day after the other. So finally I could sit down today and finally record this video. So I love Thanksgiving. Am I the only one who really loves Thanksgiving and having that starchy, full starched meal once a week? Is me? Okay. So this week we really didn't have, not this week, the week of Thanksgiving, we had no little family get together. Everybody kind of had each their own. So that meant that I was not gonna give up. I was not gonna skip this Thanksgiving meal. And I was gonna be determined and I would cook all the meals on my own, which at first I thought was gonna be really hard because I was like writing down all the meals and all the little like prep meals and little entrees and everything that we need. And it looked like a lot, but in the end, when you organize it and you say, okay, I'm gonna do this and then make these guys at the same time, it ends up being really easy. So I'm gonna walk you guys through that. I even have a website if you don't want to watch my video, link in description, where you can just get all the recipes and then you're good. So whatever I could fit into my oven, so if you have maybe a smaller oven or a bigger oven, just make sure that you have all of your stuff that need to be baked. Just prep them and then bake them all at the same time. Okay, that's what I did. All right, so we're gonna start off with those meals first. So let's get into it. So once I did that, then I did kind of like the stovetop meals. Okay, if you can like make meals at the same time, go ahead, do it. I'm just not that kind of person because something's gonna get burnt, okay? Something is gonna burn and I'll have to start over. Learned my lesson many times. So then I started off with my stovetops, right? So I made my corn, my mashed potatoes, and my beans. Meanwhile, everything was being baked in the oven, so on time. Now the corn takes the longest, so yes, that took the longest out of everything, but at least I had it on the stovetop and cooking. And then everything that was on the stove besides the corn was ready to be put and just put away for the next day. And that's when I started with my that's when we did our that is when my dad made the jello. I'll show you the clip, but he wanted to, I had him make the jello since he was just like, no, put this in there, put this in there. So I was like, you know what, you make the jello, I'll record you making it. So let's get into that one. After that, then that was put into the freezer, and while that was being put in the freezer, meanwhile the stuff was still being baked, and I started off with the pumpkin pie, so that when I was done with the pumpkin pie, that was ready to be baked, and everything that was in the oven came out, and there was room for the pumpkin pie. So yeah, so let's move on to that clip. The only thing that I made on the day of Thanksgiving was the cornbread and the rolls. And for the rolls, I just poured like hot butter on it and then baked it, and that's it. And then we served, and then we ate, and then I ate a whole bunch. I ate like 2 plates, and by my second plate I was like I can't feel my legs. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed that video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when my videos come in. And I will see you guys next time.